Welcome, beautiful beings. I want to show you why I'm covering this with Mod Podge. This laser cut before I do anything, because on previous videos I had a problem with this coming off. Like this wasn't sealed, so whatever paint or material or whatever it was coming off on my projects. So I did this side. Now I'm going to do this side. Just put Mod Podge in the crevices. Make sure you get it really good. Like so. Just don't put too much, you have a gulp like that. Make sure you get every single crevice of this around here and around the edge. Like so. I hope that was caught. The thing just came up and said it was low. Battery, I gotta plug my phone in, but just so you know, make sure you get in every single crevice of this side stuff, because it does come off. If you get, like say you've already got this done and then you just want to seal it and you're going around it, and if you go in here, because you're trying to get the Mod Podge around whatever you and seal it, it will come off. It will come up and it will come off on your craft, and I just don't want that to happen to you because it happened to me. So, just trying to help you out, but make sure you seal it, and I'll show you. Lay it down, pick it up, and there it is. See? Boom. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. Okay, beautiful beings, this is the plan. We got lavender, I'm going to put that on a circle. Orchid glitter, we're going to put that on an M. Lilac mist on the A. Mousse glitter, mousse on the G. Lavender sachet on the I. And fairy dust on the C. And that's the plan. So we're going to start with the paint. And it doesn't matter if I get paint on the ones that I'm going to glitter. Lunch adds all, because it's going to be covered with glitter. To do is 2 coats on the M and in the A. Yeah, the I is perfect, right? That's what I'm going to do, and we're back when I'm done. Okay, beautiful beings. I wanted to show you something. Remember we put Mod Podge down so that stuff on the sides wouldn't come up into our projects? I wanted to show you, if you put Mod Podge down and then you put the paint on really thick, you can get the crackle effect if you want to put that on one of your projects. See that? But you got to put it on thick and then just leave it and it'll crack on its own. I just thought I'd share that little bit of information with you. Now we're going to apply the glitter. And when it dries, we'll be back and we'll cover the glitter with Mod Podge so it doesn't move on our project when we're decorating it. Okay, beautiful beings, time to seal up the glitter. We will be back. Okay, glitter's not quite it dry, but we don't need it to be dry all the way. I'm not putting no Mod Podge on that paint because it's already glossed paint. So I'm just putting it here. And I'm not gonna go hog wild with it like I did with the glitter. I kind of put way too much thickness on the glitter of the Mod Podge. And I blew off all the little pieces that were still left on the paint from the different glitters. Made sure they were gone because I didn't want them on the other letters. Just gonna seal this, let it dry, and then we can start decorating it. Or I might just go to the flower and get that part over with so it's dry. And we'll be back. Okay, our magic is dry, beautiful beings. We're going to use lilac mist. We're going to do our flower. I'm going to do dark color first. And then I'm going to do lavender sachet. Okay, now we're going to add lavender sachet. Okay, beautiful beings. I got fairy dust and I got mousse. And what we're going to do is try to attempt to put some glitter on here without getting it all over the flower. I got some Mod Podge here. And I think I want some dark colors here on the bottom. I'm going to take dark glitter. I got some Mod Podge on my toothpick, so it's picking it up. And I'm going to apply it to the Mod Podge where I put it on the flower. Of course, it's sticking more to the toothpick than the flower. That's alright. The only thing I'm worried about is when we cover this with Mod Podge, that the glitter might move around. So, I'm going to have to keep washing my brush so I don't spread the glitter from one point to another. So I'll just put Mod Podge on it, cover it, and then put some Mod Podge on, wash it, put some, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'll put some Mod Podge on the glitter that is dry, then I'll wash it after I'm done with that one color, and then I will do the next color of glitter and wash my brush, and that should be good, hopefully. Right, I think we need some over here, maybe a little bit there. Good, now it's just coming off the toothpick, the glitter, so that's good. It's already on there. It's coming off with the Mod Podge that I'm putting on it. Now, we're going to flip sides, the toothpick, and we're going to go with the fairy dust without ruining the flower. And as you can see, the glitter is getting in there, so I'm going to have to clean that out so it don't go back into the bottle. In case I want it for something else to seal it, and I don't want the glitter on it. Sorry, the stem, I'm holding it with, it's kind of wonky. Alright, so now let's do some fairy dust. want some there. And put some down on the side. See, it's coming once you got Mod Podge, it comes off. Pretty well when there's a lot of Mod Podge. But I don't want the petals to stick together, so I'm trying to be careful of that too. Just trying to get it in there. There and here. Trying to concentrate on where I want it and keeping the camera in view at the same time. I think it's blending in quite well. I need more Mod Podge. Glitter seems to come off of the Q-tip, but we have lots of Mod Podge. And then we need this petal over here, and this petal. That petal needs more. Just want it on the tips of the petals. And I might want some in here, of course, and then on the sides. All right. Let's see here. And I think we'll do it. Now I'm thinking I need more other color. I really wanted some of that up there. Here. Lighter color. I'm gonna have to be really careful when we cover this with Mod Podge. Really careful. All right, some there. All right, now I think I might want some more of the darker spots, like in here. There, maybe. Sorry, my hand keeps moving on this wired stem and it keeps turning on me. All right. I think that's pretty enough. What do you think? I just don't want to overdo it. I don't want to overdo it. That's good enough. I just wanted a little shimmer here and there. Okay, and then we'll attempt to cover it with Mod Podge when it's dry. Okay, I got some pearls I created. 1, 2, 3 different colors, and I got some beads. Trying to make sure. And I'm gonna finish this. Where's my toothpick? Where's my toothpick? Let's flip this that way. There we go. Way too much glue, but you know, that's all right. And then I want to put there. All right, we got way too much glue. We gotta use toothpick. Plus you can see better when. And I'm gonna put stuff here. Put something there and something here. flower is all done. It turned out beautiful. I'm going to snip the wire off. Sorry about that. I drink water before, but my throat still wants cleared out. Right, we want this like right there. So I'm going to put glue here. Yeah, it's easy to overdo something. It's easy. I just want a lot of glue there because it's a big pearl. It's a big pearl. Just lay it on its side right in there. Tuck it in. And what were we doing? The white. By the white. Get off the toothpick. Another white. And maybe one more there. And maybe one more there. I just like how they shimmer when they're dry. I like how they shimmer when they're dry. And my starter's starting to stick to each other. Alright. Now I gotta put one right there, right? It's like a set of 3 here. Maybe I'll put another one. I gotta put one there too. Alright, and then I'm quitting, I promise. I promise. I just like my stars. I do. Especially on the word magic. There's not even enough glue there, I don't think. That should look really good too. Okay, and there we have it. And when this is dry, I'm afraid to pick it up. All right. See, I need to just quit because I keep finding a spot for another star. There we go. All right, I'm gonna let this dry and then I'll be back to show you the complete project. Okay, beautiful beings. Here it is. I love it and I think it's beautiful. Have a magical everything.